83.
Go ahead.
Can stall 206. They need two 767 run fastest.
Okay.
12 to Station 4. You meant 116 where the 87 is?
Yeah, 10-4, right in front of the big tent there.
Okay, yeah, there's nothing right in front of the tent, but I'm going to go back up front and take a look. Inside.
Okay, yeah, he said it was right in the front there.
Hey, 10-4. Station 4?
Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, I found them. They're inside the tent, and it looks like there's two of them. I'm going to bring into 114 charging station.
909.
Good.
216. They want to take that 777 for a walk up and down the ramp there.
10-4.
Kenny, can you go out to that tent out there, 116, and see Nils out there? He's behind the right landing gear inside. He needs to talk to you about moving some cradles.